Doing a movie. It's called The Lunch, and it's an hour and a half long movie. I play at the cinemas just to piss people off.
Have you really got this on?
Yeah, I have.
It could work, you know. It could work. It's got potential.
Yeah, I'm sure it would piss people off.
If you keep doing it, if you keep actually doing it long enough, you get enough of a script out of it, and you realise all you need is one shot at the dinner table.
Lemonade.
People just coming in and out.
Yeah.
And all they have to do is like 40,000 takes because it's an hour and a half long if you get your lines wrong.
Yeah, that Russian one, the Russian letter one was. Is there anyone else more lemonade? Just come get yourself.
I don't know if I want lemonade from this though. That's not right.
No, it's not because
It's going to taste like coffee.
Well, you know.
You must be cleaned it first.
If you actually introduce new stuff, you can have coffee flavoured lemonade.
We'll see how much is it. Ben's alright, he's got a drink. So I'll chop you up more. Chop me up more.
This is really good.
Oh, look at that. How perfect is that?
Perfect.
Could I have the butter, please?
You'd like a little bit.
Oh, thank you very much.
Tim, say grace, mate.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
Oh.
Okay, well, thank you very much for the food, and I pray for the evil one to stop working Michael.